So finally, we have figured out what is going on with the submit button disappearing in the VLE. This might be something specific to anyone in the Hastings and Prince Edward District School Board because in HPE DSB, we have some Google extensions that are set automatically. And what we found out is that this one called Orbit Note is conflicting with the VLE, and the extension and the new updates aren't communicating with one another. So for whatever reason, anyone using Chrome and anyone in the Hastings and Prince Edward District School Board that has this automatically, it's causing the submit button to disappear. So in the meantime, and it's also set by the administrator, I want to say that too. That's not what I wanted to do at all. So this is Orbit Note, and what Orbit Note is when you have it as in your Chrome extensions, anytime you open a PDF, it's going to go to this screen, and then you sign in with Google, and it will open up your PDF. So Orbit Note, I'm going to see if I can see it here. Even if you unpin it, it just means that you don't see it in your list of extensions right up here. See, it's right there. These are my extensions that I use frequently. That if you try and get rid of it, it's actually installed by your administrator. And so I wasn't able to get it out. Some of the other ones, like this one that I have put in there, when I click there, I can just say remove from Chrome. And I tried to use this to edit images, and it didn't work. I actually had to use Google Drawings, was very helpful, actually, instead of installing that. But I can't do that with Orbit Note. So we're going to do this together. If you're in the Hastings and Prince Edward District School Board, and you click on this little puzzle piece right up here, or you know of Orbit Note, because when you open a PDF, that's where it defaults to. We're going to figure out together how to get it out of your Chrome so that you can start submitting your assignments. So what I have here on the side is I have some instructions, and we're going to do it on this side because I haven't done it yet, and we'll see if it works. Okay, so the first one is clicking the puzzle piece, which is right up here. And this is your extension. So you might actually find it over here in the 3 dots if you're not seeing it right up top. And we're going to click on the 3-dot menu beside Orbit Note. Okay, so we're looking for Orbit Note in my puzzle piece, and we're going to scroll down. There's Orbit Note, and I'm going to unpin it so that I take it out of there. And I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click Options. Okay, next instruction, uncheck Open Web PDFs. Uncheck it. Okay. And apparently, that's supposed to solve everything. So, there we go. Okay, so let's see if this does anything. So I'm going to go into our homepage. And I'm going to impersonate one of you. So let's see. I'm going to send you these instructions, but I wanted to show you the video just so that you can go through. I'm going to impersonate somebody. I'm just going to pick somebody randomly. Okay, we're going to go here. So this is how I can actually see into your account. You're kind of seeing the backdoor route to being able to do that. And I'm going to click impersonate. Okay, I'm not going to go through grades or anything like that, but what I definitely want to do is to be able to see if the assignment that most of you were having problems with was Unit 2, this one right here. And so I was actually doing it, and it disappeared again. So maybe this isn't the problem. Maybe this isn't the solution. But we're definitely working on it, and we'll see what we can do in order to help our programs communicate. Anyway, thank you. Bye. So I hope you're still with me at this video, because I paused it at the end of that because I knew there was something that I was missing, and there it is. You need to restart Chrome. So I'm going to try and do that. It won't be on the same video, but I'll let you know whether or not this works. If you're seeing this video, that meant it worked. So follow the instructions if you're having problems submitting, and hopefully we can find the answer to this problem.